my name is Sultana Gardizi, and this is Lesson 6, Informative Speech about Caffeine. How many of you here consider yourselves caffeine addicts? How much coffee or soda do you drink in a day? 1 cup? 2 cups or more? Caffeine is pervasive in our society these days, and every few months we hear about how a study has shown us that it is good or bad for us. So what are we to believe? Today, I'd like to give you some of the facts about caffeine and its effects on your body. I may not cause you to change your coffee consumption, but at least you'll be better informed about what you are putting into your body. I'm going to talk about the beneficial effects of caffeine, the negative effects of caffeine, and also discuss what are to be considered safe levels of caffeine consumption. Let's start with the good news. Caffeine, which comes from leaves, seeds, and fruits of about 63 different plants, is well known as a stimulant. Well, that's why people drink it, right? Caffeine does help you wake up and feel more alert, and it has been shown to increase attention spans. This is a beneficial effect for people who are driving long distances or for people who are doing tedious work. Calling this a health benefit may be stretching it, though staying awake while you are driving or in class can definitely contribute to your well-being. Caffeine also contains antioxidants, which have been shown to have cancer prevention qualities. The negative effects of caffeine are largely dependent on how much you consume. When consumed in small quantities, for example, when you have 1 cup of coffee or 1 soda, caffeine can increase your heart rate, cause you to urinate more, which can cause dehydration, and prompt your digestive system to produce more acid. In larger amounts, caffeine can cause you to have headaches, feel restless and nervous, be unable to sleep, and even in large quantities to have hallucinations. When larger amounts of caffeine, over 600 milligrams per day, are ingested over long periods of time, they can cause sleep problems, depression, and digestion issues. According to a Medline article on the National Institutes of Health website, having caffeine in your diet is not of any benefit to your health, but by the same token, moderate consumption is not considered harmful to you or your body. They say that having up to 3 8-ounce cups of coffee a day or 250 milligrams of caffeine is considered average or moderate. 10 cups of coffee is considered to be excessive. Also remember, the amount of caffeine per cup can very greatly depend on the types of bean they are using and the strength of the brew. For example, the barista filled my cup up to here with coffee today, then added ice, which brought up to here, then I added half and half. My caffeine reaction would be wildly different if they had filled the coffee up to here. Most sodas with caffeines, unless they are specifically enhanced, don't have about 35 milligrams of caffeine per 8 ounces. This means you don't have to worry too much unless you're drinking liters on liters of soda each day. Also, the effect of caffeine on you personally will depend on a number of factors, such as your weight, health, and personal reaction to caffeine. As you can see, caffeine can have both positive and negative effects on our health and well-being. Nevertheless, the bottom line is, if you drink coffee, at least you'll know what it won't do and what it will do to your body. So the next time you are wondering whether or not you should have that second cup of coffee to perk you up, relax. At least now you'll know what you're putting in your body. Thank you.